So what we'll be doing right now is to rename. We're going to rename Bitcoin to Gaskincoin. We're going to rename Bitcoin to Gaskincoin. We're going to rename to Gaskincoin. Then we're going to rename BTC to BSKC because this BTC is the ticker. So our ticker, Bitcoin ticker is BTC. So our ticker is going to be GSKC. So we're going to do that. So first thing first, let's search for BTC. Let's see Bitcoin. So you use the word grep, GREP minus arrow Bitcoin. Let's see places. So it is mentioned in a lot of places. It's mentioned in a lot of places. So what to do right now for us to change the Bitcoin to BTC? So we do find dot this minus type file minus readable minus writable minus execute minus I sed sed minus I x slash Bitcoin stroke Gaskincoin G and this. So let's execute it. So right now it's changing from Bitcoin to Gaskincoin. So it's still going, still changing. It's changing all everything written in Bitcoin in the source code. So it has changed. So if you search for Bitcoin, you are not going to see anyone. So it's only telling you that in the .git, this particular value .pack Bitcoin is inside. It's listed in it in Git. So we've changed everything out of it. So now we'll check for minus arrow Bitcoin, the bigger B. So we have this. Mostly the bigger B is appearing where you have the copyright. So I'll tell you what to do in the copyright. So what you do, copy this down. You copy this down. Copy it down. Just copy it down somewhere. Copy it down. You've gotten that. So now this is done. This is style I use when I want to bring back the copyright, the Bitcoin copyright. When I want to bring it back, I just copy that particular thing and then bring it back to it. So if I want to change, I'll go back, I screw back, do everything, and change the B here to bigger B, then G to bigger G. So I do that. So why it's changing? This is how you change the value, the alphabet, the Bitcoin, the small value, and then the bigger value. In our next video, what will continue from changing the value. So we'll be able to change the small Bitcoin and also the large Bitcoin. So now, thank you for watching and continue to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.